The Delhi court on Friday declared that the Dastarbandi ceremony anointing Jama Masjid Shahi Imam Ahmad Bakhtari's son Shaban as the Naib Imam shall not vest or create any right in his favor. Taking note of submissions made by the central government and the Waqf Board on Thursday, the Court of Chief Justice G. Rohini and Justice R. S. Endla held that it is of the opinion that in the face of the contentions of the petitioners, supported by the Waqf Board and Dastarbandi ceremony scheduled on November 22nd, even if not stayed, will not amount appointment of the said son of Bakhtaris as the Naib Imam of Jama Masjid. The court also noted that since the masjid was the residence of the Bakhtaris family, it did not feel any need to restrain the Imam from holding the ceremony in Jama Masjid. The court has also clarified that the anointment of Sabana Bakri or any other person as Naib Imam of the Jama Masjid shall be subject to future orders in this petition. The order also indicates further trouble for the Imam, with the court issuing notice to all parties to respond to the 3 PILs by January. The court noted that the Waqf Act 1995 provides only for appointment of the Mutawali of Waqf and contains no provision for appointments of Imams, and issued notice to Imam Bukhari, Central Government, Waqf Board, ASI Delhi Government, Delhi Police, MSD DDA to reply on the main petition, which has challenged the continuation of Bukhari himself as the Imam. The court in its order has noted as the Waqf Board has declared itself the Mutawali of the Jama Masjid and pulled up the board for failing to take action so far against Bukhari. No answer is forthcoming as to why the Delhi Waqf Board has not exercised any rights or supervision over the Jama Masjid, or as to why the Delhi Waqf Board has allowed Maulana Sayyid Ahmad Bukhari to appropriate all earnings from the said mosque and also not taken any action for accounts thereof being for not rendered despite court directions, noted the court. Advocate D.P. Singh, who had appeared on behalf of petitioner Sohail Ahmad Khan, said that he welcomed the decision as the court had now decided to take up the larger issues in the case. Advocate Saif Mahmood, who had filed a second plea on behalf of an NGO, also said that the institutional integrity of the Jama Masjid and Waqf Board were at stake. Hindu Mazhab member Ajay Gautam, who had also filed a petition in the issue, also welcomed the court order. The state is governed by rule of law. The country has been independent by 65 years, but the Jama Masjid has not become independent. It is being used for political and personal gain, said Gautam.